both of them are still right there. You got him. Nice shot, honey. First duck, green winged teal, hen. Good shooting, hon. You got it on the second shot after it was flying already. We're gonna do a bit of the testimonial here. My gun jammed up, so I had to pull the shell out of the barrel because it was stuck in there. And all the while that was happening, we just had a hawk attack that decoy right there and flipped it over and was damn near a foot above our head. And no one's ever gonna believe it, but it happened. I have a witness. But we're back in business. There's some geese honking, so we're gonna get back to it. Midday update. We found where all the birds were cooped up. We did a lot of thinking, and I think we're gonna go ahead and just let them sit for the day. We're gonna go back out tonight and hunt the same spot, so we left everything out, and then we're gonna go hunt where all the birds were in the morning. We're gonna try it tonight, see if we can't get something else, get a couple more birds out of there. For now, we're gonna go ahead and eat some lunch and maybe take a nap, and then get ready to go for tonight's hunt. All right, nap log, 3-hour nap is successful. Glad I woke up when I did. We're scrambling, getting ready to go back out there. But yeah, it was a good nap. Honestly, could take another. Let's go kill some birds. Shoot him. He's done. He is done. Good job, honey.
Thank you. Good job calling him in.
Yeah, worked pretty hard on him. Only had to circle about 40 times.
Little guy.
Good job. That's awesome. There we go. You got your first goose? You got blood all over your hands?
I'm kicked in blood. I think it's there. Should I give it one more spin?
Yeah, give him her spin. There you go. Yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
I feel it broken.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm caked in blood.
Good job, though.
Thank you.
We got a goose. We got 2 ducks today and a goose, and we had to call that goose for about 15 minutes, and he just came in, he'd circle, go out, come in, he'd circle, go out. There we go. Got a goose. She got her first goose, got her first duck.
One and only goose.
Hey, it's better than nothing. We are on the goose board today. Ooh, and there's a bunch more geese right there. We're gonna get locked and loaded. So this morning's been pretty good. We've got 5 birds so far. We've got a widgeon pintail and 2 green wings, and then Kayla, she shot a speckle belly this morning. So that's a pretty rare occasion out where we're hunting, and I'm pretty proud of you. That's awesome. We were able to get him to call in, and he circled us about twice, and he dropped the landing gear and was coming right down on us, and I was like, we're gonna shoot him, because he was straight up. So we got him, and he was deader than a doornail, so great job. And now we're kind of in the mid-mix. There's not a lot flying. The ducks, man, I got a bunch of footage on my phone. They were just coming in here, dive bombing and swirling. We were right where they wanted to be this morning, but the problem is everything's frozen. It is probably, I'm gonna say about 24 degrees-ish, maybe colder than that. But we got ice over everything pretty much, except for little pockets. And so there's ice on the decoys, all the water's frozen, everything. But either way, we're just waiting for the birds to start moving again. A bunch of them flew south, so we'll wait for them to come back and hopefully shoot some more geese, some more ducks. Be great. So, yeah, we're gonna get back to it. Thanks y'all for tuning in. They're low too. Oh yeah. That's a big.
I'm taking the ducks.
Take all the geese.
Yeah.
Grab some ducks.
That's all I want to do.
So I gotta hold all of these damn ducks?
Oh, we're holding all of them?
Yeah.
You got the rest? Hang on. Okay, that's a lot.
All right, well, we are all wrapped up. We did our big hunt this morning, and we got quite a few birds, as you guys can see from the footage that we got and the pictures and all that. So hopefully we can get back out again and do it sometime. But if not, it was a great hunt. We'll definitely enjoy the memories. So thanks all for tuning in, and catch you all later.